mga kapamilya, it's Gretchen Pulido, and with me today is the official fashion designer of the Philippine Olympic team sa Paris Olympics 2024, Francis Libiran. Hi, Francis!
Hello, Gretchen!
Naku, Francis, sobrang exciting nito. Napakalapit na ng Paris Olympics. Can you tell us what you named the barong you made for the Philippine Olympic team for the Paris Olympics?
So, ang ginawa kong barong para sa mga delegates natin sa Paris Olympics is called the Sinag Barong. So, ginawa natin siyang pattern is yung race ng sun natin sa Philippine flag. Gretchen, ang ginawa namin, kumuha kami talaga ng the most vibrant blue and the most vibrant red. Yun yung namin, gusto namin maging very visible sila from afar.
Kasi ang parada po ng Paris Olympics ay mangyayari sa River Seine.
Yes.
And talagang gusto mong stand out, tama ba? At tanaw na tanaw sila pag pumarada sila.
Yes, so ang namin dito when we were meeting with Kong Bambol about the parade uniforms for athletes, sabi niya, Francis, dapat ito ay very visible from afar. So sabi ko, paano natin gagawin yon? So sabi ko, by the use of colors, the Philippine flag, ang ginawa kong inspiration na kulay. Para from afar, kitang-kita yung ating bandila.
And aside from that, you're also paying homage to the host country, which is France.
Yes. So the tricolor, ang ginawa natin is nasa border siya ng Philippine flag natin. Na inspiration. So I just want to pay tribute for the host country for the Olympics.
Pero kung titignan natin ang mas mabusisi yung ginawa ni Francis, no? This is a detachable, parang sling armor. Tama ba? Yun ba tawag doon?
So it acts like an armor to the athletes.
Ganda.
This is for yung sling nila na nadidetach na ganyan. So it becomes an ordinary barong na magagamit ng athletes on their special occasions, or kunyari, let's say may mga special functions sila sa Malacanang, they can use it. But ang ginawa natin is, nilagay ko pa rin yung sinag na pattern on their collar.
And the sinag, if we look closely and also here, yung nito, embroidery is very specific. This is an actual, tama ba, pintados?
Yes, so yung inspiration ng sun is hindi ko naman kinuha masyadong yung nasa flag natin. So I want the pintados pattern na sun version siya. I think I love the meaning behind it. It's a warrior, fighting spirit. Yun yung meaning ng ng pintados na pattern.
And ang ating mga atleta ay mga warriors.
Yes.
At heroes, di ba?
Heroes because they're representing our country. So I would always na para bang ito yung parang simbolo na parang armor on them na during the parade handa na silang lumaban to represent our country.
Now let's talk about the barong itself.
So for the barong base mismo, the barong itself, I made use of Husi fabric from Kalibo actually. So very ako when it comes to the material ng Husi because it's very durable and it doesn't change the color. And very sturdy kasi siya eh. Hindi siya madaling matastas, hindi siya madaling mapunit. So I'm a fan of using our Husi material.
Parang hindi siya gusutin Parang siya talaga, ang elegant nung bagsak.
So very neat sila tingnan actually. Para bang pagsuot-suot nila ang Husi barong.
Si Francis is very well known because of the intricacy and the techniques of his embroidery. Can you tell us about the embroidery at gaano kabusisi mo dinisenyo ito?
Siyempre, Gretch, pag nag-aano kami ng patterns na susundan ng mga embroiderers ko, that's the most crucial part. Siyempre, they need to place it strategically na kagaya nito, dapat nasa gitna para kitang-kita yung difference between the blue and the red. So, very meticulous yung pagkakagawa niya para lang makita from afar na yung separation ng flag at tamang-tamang umaano tong line na to for the separation of the red and the blue.
So talagang detalye talaga.
Pinag-aaralan.
Oo. At dahil yan sa iyong architecture background,
yes.
yung mga lines mo ay very perfect.
Very perfect and I want it to be very defined.
What does this barong mean to you?
I guess this barong, syempre as a Filipino designer, I was so privileged na para bang in-approach nila kami to do something for our country. And para sa akin, it's not just me being a designer, it's not for to represent our country, but It's more of para makita ang unity natin as Filipinos. Para bang ang ano ka parati sa kanila when I talk to the athletes is put our Philippine flag beside your heart. And that's the meaning of this sling. That's why it's placed in this side because I want them na para bang every competition, every i-represent nila na, sa laban ng ating bansa, it's close to their hearts. It's for the Philippines.
Para talaga sa puso, no? But ang napaka-special pa this Paris Olympics is we're also celebrating for the Philippines the 100th time na we are actually participating in the Olympics. Is that correct?
So it's really memorable na para bang ang participation ng Pilipinas pala is nasa 100 years na. And syempre, ang athletes natin will para bang magpaparade sila in a boat.
In a barge.
In a barge. Yeah. So talagang medyo kakaiba yung it actually was extra challenging for me because I cannot put any small details on the barong. It has to be the angle from afar. Kitang-kita talaga yung bandila natin. Alam mo yung sumisigaw na Pilipinas pag suot-suot nila and nag-aano dun sa River San na nagpaparade ang ating atleta.
Oo, na pag dumaan, Philippines!
Yes.
Talagang kita mo, Philippine flag,
sumisigaw ang Philippine flag.
Ay talagang kapansin-pansin talaga. And Francis, what is your message to all our athletes?
You know what my message for our athletes is, every time you do something like you're in the competition, nakakataba ng puso pag nire-representa natin parati ang ating bansa. And it's also the same thing if I'm doing something for the country. Para sa akin, napakalaking bagay na ako yung napili para mag-design ng ating barong for our athletes. Kasi para sa akin, that's a hard task. How can I make them feel so proud while they're wearing their traditional barong Tagalog to represent our country?
Aside from this Olympics na susuotin nila, ano pa ba yung ibang mga ginawa mo for the Team Philippines, being the official fashion designer for the Team Philippines?
I did, I think, 3 ASEAN for their parang parade uniforms. Ang mahirap dun is, how can you differentiate everything from each year?
Yeah.
Nakakasira ng ulo, kakaisip ng panibago na disenyo. But you know what, I'm happy doing it. Diba? Kasi yun nga, every time I draw something, parati kong iniisip, kailangan makita ang Pilipinas. Kailangan maging proud ang magsusuot dito to represent our country.
But this is the first time sa Olympics ka?
First time sa Olympics.
Oh
That's why sabi ko, and 100 years pa. So sabi ko, I want it to be very iconic.
And it is very iconic.
When I was designing this one, sabi ko nga, I would want to design a suit, yung typical na suit na or a jacket, but I want it to be very Filipino. Diba? What better way to use our own barong Tagalog with the use of our own fabric that was weaved in our country. So that for me is very symbolic. I want the world to know that the barong Tagalog is very Filipino.
And with this beautifully intricate design ng sinag na talagang kahit saan ka pang pumwesto, sa Seine River o sa Eiffel Tower o kung saan, kitang-kita na Team Philippines. Francis, again, thank you so much for sharing this with us. Congratulations.
Thank you, Grace.
And hopefully it will bring more luck to all our Filipino athletes this coming
More
Paris.
gold for us.
More gold. Go Philippines! Thank you so much, Francis.
Thank you very much.